How to see your analytics and states on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your analytics and states easy and fast. So first thing, go to Quora app. Now all what you have to do to see your analytics is by going to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture. After you click on your profile picture, you will find some options here. Choose your content and states. And as you can see now right here, you will find all the analytics easy and fast. And you can choose the time that you want, and you can filter the content, for example questions or answers or whatever analytics you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.